going on, guys? This is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 3LT with Z51 package. So this vehicle has 495 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque with the Z51 package. And I have the window sticker here too. 6.2 liter V8 with 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, hypersonic gray exterior with sky cool gray with jet black seats. This one has a really nice interior. I love this sky cool gray on this car. Let me put my phone in this wireless charging tray real quick, and that's actually a really good placement for the wireless charge, or interesting placement for the wireless charging tray, because there's really not a lot of space over here. But yeah, so this specific one's really nice, has good equipment. The Z51 performance package is a $6,000 option. I also made a video on a 2022 model with Z51, but it was a 2LT, not a 3LT. So rear axle performance ratio, high performance tires, spoiler, Z51 performance suspension, electronic limited slip differential, Z51 performance brakes, heavy duty cooling system, performance exhaust, visible carbon fiber removable roof, carbon flash full length. Yeah, this one has some good stuff in it. This one has a lot of cosmetic upgrades. $91,000, $780 was the original MSRP on this vehicle. This is a really nice car. Let's see if I can open this. Alright, it's fine. So yeah, like, I've driven a lot of C8s. I've driven the Z06 and the E-Ray as well. Wasn't able to get videos on the E-Ray or the Z06. But I'm not a big Corvette guy. But I really think the C8's a very impressive vehicle for the price point, the amount of performance you get, the fact that you get a mid-engine car, and it's an attainable vehicle. It's an attainable dream car for a lot of people, and I think it's really cool that it's at an affordable price point. I love the interior. It's like a cockpit. It's awesome. The seats are very comfortable. I like the square steering wheel, and I love these paddle shifters. Full digital gauge cluster, of course, and I like how the screen's pointing towards the driver. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. Here's the reverse camera on this car. This one has a Z mode as well. Which is like a customizable mode. You have Tour, Sport, Track modes as well. We're gonna drive in Sport mode for today's drive. You also have the Bose Performance Series sound system, and the 3LT will give you like a lot of leather touches and upgraded materials. Like this interior is very premium compared to a 1LT. You have leather everywhere, like on the dash. I love this white. I love this sky cool gray interior. It's fantastic. Seats are beautiful too. You also have carbon fiber in the seats as well. The seats do a great job of holding you in place. They're like nice bucket seats. And let's walk around the car and see what it looks like before we get out on the road and go for a drive. That performance exhaust sounds fantastic. And this hypersonic gray exterior looks really good. Michelin tires. Z51 red performance brakes on this car, as I mentioned. This one also has the racing stripe from the factory. I'm not a big guy. I'm not a big fan of stripes on the hood and stuff, but a lot of people like it. I like the carbon roof edition on this car. Looks really cool. Removable, of course. Black mirror caps. You have quad outlet exhausts. The regular Corvettes will have them on the sides over there, but the Z06, as you know, will have them in the center, all four in the center. Typical Z06 design with that. Here's the engine, and here's your trunk space. Trunk space is pretty limited, but you can't really expect a whole lot from honestly, this is pretty good for a mid-engine car. And it looks cool. But let's get this Corvette on the road and see what it's like to drive. And yeah, you got like some speakers over there too. One thing is the visibility is really hard in these, or very limited. It's really hard to see out of it. But again, that's the territory with mid-engine cars. You also have a cool head-up display in the sport mode. I like that. This is a really, really nice spec, as I mentioned. I love the gray with the Sky Cool interior. I've never seen this white and black Sky Cool gray interior on the Corvette before, and especially with this 3LT with all the leather touches, it's phenomenal. It looks really, really good. These are insanely fast, like super, super fast. Like very, very impressive cars. And I love the paddle shifters like that. They're high quality metal shift paddles. It's awesome. And you also have like that camera mirror because you can't really see out of the back of this car. Yeah, that is awesome. And that V8 sounds fantastic too. Really, really cool. I just can't believe how attainable these cars are for this kind of performance, and to have a mid-engine car at this price point. Like, you could get like used Corvettes in like the $60,000 to $70,000 range. Man, that sounds so good. That is awesome. I wish I was able to get videos on the Z06 and the E-Ray that I drove. I just had very limited time with them. That'll never get old. That is so fun. That is just awesome. Oh my God. And I remember when these cars came out and the hype was insane for them, and people were paying like 50 grand over for a 1LT. Those are some crazy times. But obviously the hype died down after like a year or two, and then like there started being a lot more on the roads, and then now you could get a new one for a really good deal, especially because like they just facelifted it. But yeah, as I mentioned, blind spots are so hard. I can't see anything out of it. But yeah, so as I mentioned, yeah, you know, there's like the new facelift. So pre-facelift models, 25s, brand new ones, you could get great deals on them. I think like they took away this wall of buttons, but I personally don't really mind this buttons thing. It's not a big deal to me. I just love, as I mentioned, I just love the cockpit interior in here. The driver's isolated from the passenger with like this big barrier. I think that's kind of cool. But man, these are just so fun to drive. And it's surprisingly comfortable too. Like, it's not like very harsh ride or whatever. Like, it's really, really nice. Even in the sport mode. Obviously, you're very low to the ground. If you go over big bumps, you'll feel that. But in general, it's not like punishing to drive this car at all. And those paddle shifters are so satisfying. Like, I mean, I know a lot of people who daily drive these and they really enjoy it. We're just gonna put it in the tour mode now. See what it's like there. You also have a heated steering wheel, and this 3LT will give you heated and ventilated seats. Always a nice thing to have in a sports vehicle. And yeah, that's super helpful. Like, the visibility is really good out of this camera mirror. It's pretty accurate. Like, there's some SUVs that have that camera mirror, and I don't see the point in that. And like, the regular mirror will do just fine, but in this car, that's a must. I can't believe how this car is just like raring to go. Like, it's just so ready to accelerate at any given second, which is super cool. Yeah, that's just awesome. awesome shift paddles. I love shift paddles that give you that kind of feedback. Just like the metal clicking. And they're high quality giant shift paddles, which I really, really like. Corvette did a great job with these shift paddles. And you guys know I'm very nitpicky about shift paddles, so these definitely check the box for me on that. Well, that was an absolute blast. Great way to start the morning driving this awesome C8. But overall, that was, as I mentioned, as I just said, an awesome drive. Really, really enjoyed that. But awesome Corvette right here. Thanks for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for high performance vehicles like this Corvette.